Alright guys, well we're just about done with this rake, this field. Anyone want to guess how many bales this field's going to give? This is 25 acres in this field. And there's 5 acres over there. About 30 acres. Big heavy windrows. Go ahead and leave a comment. This will make some nice feed for our black Angus and some for the Holsteins. So we're just about done raking, and then we're going to jump in the John Deere and the other John Deere and the Baler and bale this up. We do have a lot more raking to go yet. I don't know, we'll have to check the time here and see if we can get it done. We are pulling the H&S 12-wheel rake, doing an excellent job. I'm a little worried about the wind catching the windrows and start whipping them around. This is July the 1st. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Keep up to date what's going on here. So thanks for watching. So we are running a little behind our hay season here in Pennsylvania, but overall things are looking pretty good.